Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Coin Time. Today I'm going to be talking about the current price of gold. As you've seen recently, the price of gold as of Saturday morning is $2,019, which is just a huge rise from what we've seen recently. Over the past couple months, it had taken a really nice slump down to about 1830-ish, which is when I picked up this beautiful Australian kangaroo here for about $18.98, which was a great deal considering how much it's gone up recently. But what's caused the recent rise in gold? Well, obviously the big thing you've been hearing on the news lately is the Israeli-Hamas conflict. Anytime there's some sort of war going on, people tend to gravitate towards some type of safe haven, something that's going to be less affected by a turbulent economy that's affected by uncertainty and war. The other thing that's been driving gold the other direction recently, from what I mainly understood, was that the Fed was keeping the interest rates high and not lowering those. Anytime they raise the interest rate, ironically, gold tends to go down because people are buying other assets that they deem as more profitable. But yeah, this is really, Hamas conflict has really heightened tensions in the Middle East. And as a result, gold price has gone up. Not only do you have the Israeli-Hamas conflict, but also you have US airstrikes in Syria recently, where they were trying not to escalate the Middle East, but obviously that's going to tick off Iran quite a bit, bombing sites in Syria where they have proxy forces. So a lot of stuff going on there, which is all driving the price of gold up. But is this the time to buy gold? Well, I kind of see it as maybe a little bit of a inflated moment for gold. If you look at the chart from all the way back to like 2005, where gold was a lot cheaper, it's not a meteoric rise from then, but it looks like there's definitely long-term range for gold to go up based on that chart I'm looking at. But if you look at the chart a little bit more in depth within the last year, it does feel like there's room for gold to go back down. It feels like the war is indeed heating up the price of gold. So if you're planning on buying gold right now at 2019, I might say hold off for another couple weeks, see if it doesn't start to trend back downwards. Some of the big long-term things I would think about if you are buying gold in terms of what's going to make the price go up is eventually when the Feds decide that they want to lower the interest rates again. I think they're sitting at like 5% to 5.5%, which is why everyone right now is like paying a mortgage of like almost like 8%, which is insane. Once they start lowering those rates, I would expect the price of gold to rise. Once those rates start to lower, other investments become less advantageous for people like the bonds and stuff. And if anyone's watching here is really smart on this stuff, I would welcome your comment, because part of the reason I made this channel was to kind of start to learn more about the bigger economic impacts. So this is what I'm gathering from kind of my own common sense perspectives. Let me know if any of you guys are thinking about buying gold right now. I'm kind of holding off right now. I feel pretty good about my little splurge that I did with this kangaroo and this half kangaroo I got here too. The jumping kangaroos from 2022. I love this thing. So I got in at a good price relative to what's going on now, but things might change. So anyways, I would hold off on buying gold if I were you and just wait to see what happens in the next couple weeks. So thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.